USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you do all of that. Subscribe, like, share, and if you don't like, then dislike after watching the video. Okay, so do all of that, and then below the video you'll find these links. It says join free Telegram. If you want some free signals, then join my Telegram. Check out the brokers, sign up with them. If you don't sign up, then don't watch my videos. Pay my fees. If you can't pay the if you can't pay the fees, then join these brokers. If you can't do anything, you are most welcome to leave. If nobody's forcing you to watch the video, okay? But if you watch the video, it's only for your own good, okay? I record these videos now only on Sundays because earlier I tried to record these videos on daily basis, but I see people are so thankless, so retarded, so selfish. They don't really care, okay? They think everybody's a fool. No, people who are making videos, they are smarter than you, okay? Anyway, so coming back to the topic here, do all of that. Otherwise, I'll not even make these videos anymore, okay? It's up to me, it's up to my mood. Because for now, I'm continuing on Sunday for free because I want to keep myself busy. So I also work on Sundays. That's my personality. I want to work all the time. Coming back to the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we got? We got what? Weekly, we have rejection. Hammer rejection. So we're going to go down, okay? Daily, broken below the EMA. So we're going to go down, okay? Why are we going to go down? Not just because we have broken below the EMA. It's because we have eaten this previous blue candle. That's why we're going to go down. Okay, so we have two confirmations. This red candle is your engulfing candle, plus it has broken below the EMA. Coming back to 4 hour, we have broken its previous fucking low. Okay, so there are too many confirmations. We're gonna go down, baby. Okay, so this uptrend is fully eaten by this one candle only. Wait for the pullback. Pullback will happen until the EMA rejection will come. Then the red candle, and then you will go down. Understood? Quite simple for me, not for everybody else. Okay, so if you like what you see, like, if you don't like what you see, then you dislike. Okay, anyways, so two possibilities here. For me, I think we're gonna go down. So pull back, red candle, then enter short. Otherwise, trend might reverse completely. Okay, so let's say if this candle breaks, if this high is broken, at that time, this high will be broken, and then the price will close above the EMA as well. That might be the bullish signal. But I think if you see that setup where the rejection has come from the EMA and then the red candle, then we surely gonna go down. And my confidence comes from daily time frame, because in daily we have engulfed this candle and then broken below the EMA, so we should go down. And if you don't know how far or how further we will go down, we'll go down until maybe 145. Yeah, almost 200 pips. Okay, so right now we are at 146.90. My guess we will go around 145.10. So you still can easily take 150 pips in USDJPY in short position and never come and thank me, because I know you people are thankless. Anyway, so I'm an idiot just by repeating, because you will not do it. Okay, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever. Okay, let's see for how long I will do this. Okay, so for now, just have a good day, and be careful, and have a good trading week. So I'll see you maybe on next Sunday, hopefully. Okay, if I want to. Otherwise, I know people are thankless.